When this is connected, the door lock cannot be pulled down nor pushed down. This actuator is stuck up. This is swollen and really damaged. So I am going to replace this 5-wire master actuator. And this is the new master actuator. Clean and not swollen. Compared to the damaged actuator, they have the same color of wires. I am now removing and will be replacing the damaged actuator. Using 2 screws, I will mount this first before wiring. These are the 2 screws holding the actuator. The door lock and the actuator are connected here. The bracket of the door lock is inserted to the hole of the actuator. The actuator can now control the door lock. I place some insulation at the bottom of the actuator. Time now to connect the wires. And we're almost done. I adjusted the actuator and door lock connection so that the door lock will be fully extended. So let's test this master actuator. That's all. Thank you. Please like and subscribe.